it's Double Oni, aka Oni. So this is just going to be a quick video because I was doing my hair and I was like, why don't I film it, for everybody to see? So um I'm almost done with the hair. I just have this section left, so I'll be showing you guys this section. I'm going to show you guys the hair. This is like a crochet twists. I forgot the name of this, but I bought it from the beauty shop. So it's like it has the crochet hook, the crochet loop, sorry. I know how to do crochet. So what I ended up doing for my back was braiding it, like braiding my hair individually like this, and then hooking the hair through, so it gives like a um single strand twist. I'm going to show you guys real quick. So I'm just gonna show you guys. So this is how it's looking. So it's individual, like, let me see, individual, like. So I ended up running out of hair, so I invented, not invented, but this is already a trend, this is already a hairstyle, but I had to like revamp things. So for the front, I just ended up sectioning it like box braid like also, and then looping it, connecting it, so it gives like this zigzag, not zigzag, a cross like pattern for the front, and then hooking a hair on the last one. I'm going to show you guys on this side so you get what I was saying, and I hope it's not confusing. But yeah, so I did 1 2 3 4 5 6 over here. I'm also going to do 6 over here, so that will give me a total of 12 in my front. And it's just going to be this like laid back, this kind of slick back look with this falling off from the side. Okay, these are also the tools I'm using. I'm using rubber bands to just, because I love that, like, I love my hair to be snatched. I'm using a crochet hook, using a not a wild tooth comb, but yeah, this comb, I'm using it with the pointed one, and I'm using got to be glue because I don't have any type of hair wax or gel with me right now, and this does the job. And of course the hair. So yeah. Okay, so I finished parting the individual sections, as you can see. Yes, so now I'm going to crisscross them, and I'm crisscrossing to some. It's gonna show you. Take this one, crisscross to this one right here, take a rubber band, just like loop it, maybe like this one and this.